She's hiding behind the bush. I'm hoping she'll come out and roll around on her back. I'm at our park that we both like so much. I took a picture of the gazebo because the guy at the cell store moved him to my SD card, and my SD card is blank. So he's going to be helping me, but he can't guarantee that they will be there. So happy day. Whoops, there she is, peeking out. There she comes. She really likes this park. She's all wet because it rained. That's all right, I can towel her off. You can hear my voice, so I can say I love you with my voice. I love you, honey. There she goes. Go romping, Aja. Roll, roll, roll away. Rolly, rolly, roll. We might get it. She's so far away now. Aj, come over here. Hey, Aj. Come this way, honey. This way, this way. Come this way. Like a good girl. Come on. This way. She's so well trained. Well, this isn't going to work. For now, anyway. I'll try again later, honey.